I'm sure you've heard the news. Shrimp aren't just for dinner. They're amazing little critters with a lot going on. Shrimp, those tiny aquatic marvels, are packed with fascinating features. Let's break it down. First up, antennae. Shrimp have two pairs, long antennae and shorter antennules. These nifty sensors help them detect changes and locate food. Next, their compound eyes on stalks provide a wide field of vision, perfect for spotting predators. In the thoracic region, shrimp have gills that extract oxygen from water. Their hard exoskeleton, made of chitin, acts as armor, providing support and protection. Covering the cephalothorax is the carapace, a sturdy shield. With 10 jointed legs called walking legs, shrimp can scurry across the sea floor. And those paddle-like swimmerets? They're essential for swimming and carrying eggs. The first 3 pairs of walking legs may also have pincers, or pariapods, for grasping food. Finally, their abdomen, ending in a tail fan, allows for rapid backward swimming, a crucial escape mechanism. Plus, shrimp come in a variety of colors, aiding in camouflage and communication. So next time you see a shrimp, remember, there's a whole lot more going on than meets the eye.